In this video I show you how to paint this painting using acrylic pour comb technique. From mixing your paints to using the comb to achieve this wave-like effect. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Welcome to Artist Unlocked. Artist Unlocked is an art tutorial YouTube channel inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artist Unlocked. Please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Let's get back to the video. The colours I'll be using for the tutorial are Nic Pro Acrylic Pour in white, Nic Pro Acrylic Pour yellow, Nic Pro Acrylic Pour red, Nic Pro Acrylic Pour blue. Before using pre-mixed pouring paints, shake the bottles to ensure that the paint is well mixed. This will introduce air bubbles into the paint. To cut down on air bubbles in the finished painting, place your paint in a container with hot water for 15 minutes. I'll be using a Charlemagne carbon comb for this painting, because the two spaces between each tooth is the same. Unlike a regular comb where the teeth are closer together on one side and wide apart on the other side, this will produce different size waves when dragged through the paint. Its large size also covers more area of the canvas, unlike a standard comb. There will be a full list of materials in the description. Just let you know, this video is not sponsored. Some of the product links in the description are affiliative links. This means if you buy a product, I will receive a small commission. Now let's mix the paints. Now mix your paints to the measurement on screen. To mix a sound colour, mix small amounts of primary colours until it matches the colour on screen. To avoid air bubbles, leave your cup standing in hot water for 15 minutes. I am using Lego secured with masking tape to support my canvas. Divide the canvas into two parts, the sea and the beach. Draw a pencil line 60mm from the right side. When pouring the paints, start on the right hand side with the sand colour and then work your way left with white, light blue, dark blue and repeat the process. So when we run the comb through the paint, the contrast between the light and dark blue will give the waves depth. It's time to paint the picture. Pour your paint slightly off canvas to ensure the canvas is covered in an even layer of paint. Oh no, I've dripped paint on the canvas. Let's rewind the video to see what happened. As I was pouring blue paint, my pouring cup touched the canvas and picked up some paint. When I moved the pouring cup out of frame, I dropped paint onto the canvas. But don't worry, I'm going to fix this in post-production. use a heat gun to pop any air bubbles. Once you're happy with your painting, drag your comb through the paint from right to left, moving up and down simultaneously to create a wave-like effect. Finally, use a heat gun to pop any air bubbles and leave your paint to dry for 24 hours. I will remove the drip that almost ruined the painting by using GIMP, a free photo editing software. A link is in the description. This will be a very quick overview how I fix the drip. In future I will do more in-depth videos on this subject. I will remove the drip and air bubbles but keep the white wave air bubbles as they resemble white waves crashing onto the shore. The first thing we need to do is duplicate the layer. Then zoom in using the magnifying tool. Select the cloning tool. Select the right size brush for your project. Move your brush over the area you want to clone. Then move your mouse over the area you want to remove. And like magic, it's gone. Here is before and here is after. You can see there is no trace of the drip. I'm going to repeat this process for all the air bubbles in the picture. This shouldn't take too long. Here is the finished painting. I'm really pleased with it. I really like how the sand colour and the texture of the canvas give the impression of sand. Also, the air bubbles in the white waves resemble waves crashing onto the shore. Please tell me in the comments what you think of the painting and what other acrylic pour techniques you would like me to cover. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Artists Unlocked, inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artists Unlocked.